A parallel strip line consists of two perfectly parallel strips separated by a perfect dielectric slab of uniform thickness. The plate width is W and the separation distance is D, and the relative dielectric constant of the slab is denoted by epsilon Rd. Consider a TEM mode wave propagating in the positive Z direction in a lossless strip line. The electric field is in the Y direction and the magnetic field is in the X direction. If the width W is much larger than distance D, the fringing capacitance is negligible. Thus, equation for the inductance along the two conducting strips can be written as permeability of the conductor and separation distance D divided by width in Henry per meter. The capacitance between the two conducting strips can be expressed as permittivity of the dielectric slab into width divided by separation distance D. If the two parallel strips have some surface resistance and the dielectric substrate has some shunt conductance, however, the parallel strip line would have some losses. The series resistance for both strips is given by 2 into Rs divided by width, which is equal to 2 by width root of pi f ohm per meter. The conductance of the strip line is G is equal to conductivity into width divided by separation distance D mho per meter. Characteristic impedance lossless parallel strip line is given by Z0 is equal to root L by C, which is equal to separation distance D divided by width root of permeability divided by permittivity, which is equal to 377 divided by root of permittivity into D divided by width for width is greater than D. The phase velocity is equal to omega per beta, which is equal to 1 by root LC, which is equal to 1 by product of permeability and permittivity, which is equal to C divided by permittivity. Characteristic impedance of a lossy parallel strip line at microwave frequencies can be approximated as Z0 is equal to root of L by C, which is equal to 377 divided by root of permittivity into distance divided by width, for when width is greater than distance. Attenuation loss of parallel strip line. The propagation constant of a parallel strip line at microwave frequencies can be expressed as root of R plus J omega L G plus J omega C, which is equal to half R into root of C by L plus G into root L by C plus J omega root LC, where alpha attenuation constant half into R root C by L plus G into root L by C, and beta is equal to omega root LC. Alpha in meters per meter, beta is in radians per meter. Attenuation constant is equal to sum of the attenuation constants for the conductor and dielectric losses. Therefore, alpha C is equal to half into R root C by L, which is equal to 1 by D root of pi F permittivity divided by conductivity. Alpha D is equal to half into G into root L by C, which is equal to 188 conductivity divided by permittivity, Napiers per meter. Coplanar strip line denotes a transmission line that comprises two adjacent conductive strips on one face of a dielectric substrate. A coplanar strip line consists of two strips on one substrate with one strip grounded, as shown in figure. The coplanar strip line has advantages over the conventional parallel strip line because its two strips are on the same substrate surface for convenient connections. In microwave integrated circuits, the wide bonds have always presented reliability and reproducibility problems. The coplanar strip lines eliminate the difficulties involved in connecting the shunt elements between the hot and ground strips. As a result, reliability is increased and production cost is decreased. The characteristic impedance of coplanar strip line is equal to 2 into average power divided by total peak current. The average power is equal to half into integral of product of electric and magnetic field. With respect to dx and dy. Electric field intensity in the positive x direction and magnetic field intensity in the positive y direction. The dielectric substrate has no effect on the magnetic field of the microwave signal traveling along the line. For the magnetic field, the coplanar line is then symmetrical in the plane of the metallization between the substrate side and the air side. Consequently, currents flowing along parallel paths on opposite faces of each conductor are subject to the same inductance, and the overall current tends to be divided equally between the two faces. Shielded strip line. A partially shielded strip line has its strip conductor embedded in a dielectric medium and its top and bottom ground planes have no connection. The characteristic impedance is equal to 94.15 divided by root of relative permittivity width divided by distance into K plus CFF divided by 8.854 relative permittivity inverse, where K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus strip thickness divided by distance between the two ground planes, and fringe capacitance is equal to 8.854 relative permittivity divided by pi into 2k and of k plus 1 minus k minus 1 then k square minus 1. Fringe capacitance in picofarad per meter. Picofarad per